Hey there, this is Ruwena again. So I am inside this beautiful home and I'm about to introduce you to Cameron Reynolds. Cameron, how are you?
Hey, Ruwena.
So here I am in this beautiful home and this is the primary. Tell me about the features of this house and the primary bathroom.
Well, one of the things about the house in general, there are so many upgrades, finishes that you don't find in a lot of homes. We have 10-foot and even 11-foot ceilings throughout the main level. Tray ceilings, that's where it goes to 11. The windows are up to 7 feet.
They're lovely.
Yes.
Good framing. Love that framing on there.
Yes, it's amazing. Now here we're in the primary bedroom. Now we're in the primary bath. This primary bath has a shower, stand-up shower, amazing, with the 2 shower heads. One of the things that we wanted to provide for people in this house was an amazing closet, amazing her closet. And this closet right here is blank, but what you look for in a closet like this, it's big enough to put an island. You could add a vanity on the backside for makeup, things like that.
That would look great.
Yes.
I'm thinking this could easily be 12 feet by 12, you think?
Yes.
Yeah, looks fantastic. And again, the tall ceilings, lots of space here. So again, the shower with the 2 shower heads.
Yes, we got the 2 shower heads. Glass was just put in last week.
Yeah,
so,
it's gorgeous. Vanities are beautiful, framed mirrors, and then his closet on this side and back to the primary. Lots of space in here. Love it. Thank you, Cameron.
Absolutely. Thank you, Ruwena.
So right off the kitchen, you have this Butler's pantry. This space can be used for a refrigerator. It's all set up for that. And look how wonderful this is. Open shelving, pantry space, butcher block countertops, and custom cabinetry.